Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And you would have seen a lot of IPOs being released. So how to apply an IPO through Upstock is what we are going to talk in this particular tutorial. So if you want to know more about it, then stay tuned. So if you're already an Upstock account holder, then that's great. We will see how we can apply an IPO. But in case if you're watching this video and if you don't have an Upstock account and if you really want to apply for an Upstock account, then you have a lot of offers over here. So Upstock is currently giving an offer saying 4 different offers. You can just read out whatever the information is given directly from Upstock itself. So if they have an offer like free account and demat and trading account opening, that is called Lite, which is free. Apart from that, they have something called Basic, which is 249 plus GST according to them. So they are giving free trading account and demat account and plus 300 brokerage credit with 30 days of validity. So brokerage credit means when you trade, you need to pay them, right? 30-40 rupees, whatever brokerage you pay. So that comes back to you. So up to 300 rupees will be for you within 30 days validity. And apart from that, you have eLearn Market Stock Edge premium subscription worth 2000 rupees along with Money Control Pro. So Money Control Pro is very important. So I see a lot in Money Control Pro. So that is something which you have to pay extra for all this. So everything you're getting in this bucket of 249 along with your free account opening. So we have something called Plus, which is 999 plus GST. So we have same thing, free account openings and 1500 credit and along with same other benefits. Premium of 1499 plus, it's a popular choice. Most of the traders choose it. So you get free account, you get unlimited brokerage credit within 30 days and you get Stock Edge and eLearn, Money Control. Everything is free under this particular plan. So depending on your capacity or depending on your requirements, so different traders are different. Few people are students, few are experienced traders. You trade a lot within a month. So based on your requirement, wisely choose. So if you're a student, you can go with free account opening. So if you are somebody who needs all this Money Control Pro, everything just for 249, then you can go with the basic plan. If you're a trader who does a lot of trading, then you can go with premium. So based on your choice, I just told whatever is the information out there. So you can open your account by clicking the link in my video description. You can open the description. So I've given my link, that is Upstock or account opening. So click on this link so you can open your account. Just fill in your details. So Upstock can help you also in account opening. So open your account, it is more easy for you to online approval. So also from my end, I'll be adding you guys, whoever is opening account through me, I'll be adding to Smart Shares. That is a secret Telegram channel. So it's basically for learning, not for daily learning or some calls or something. I will never entertain calls. So most of you guys already know that, but I'm just telling you for the new members. So if you see, I normally give these informations for learning purpose only. So if you can see out here, so today also Sun TV, we were seeing if Sun TV can break its own high of 492.65. so let's observe. If it breaks, then 0.3% from there, maybe 1 rupee 50 paisa from there. So I'm not sure how much it has gone right now. So Sun TV has gone up to 501. So that's like 9 rupees above from our level. So these are the benefits which you will get only for learning, okay? So not for trading or something, it's only for learning purpose. Like yesterday also we had Escorts which went, and Amar Raj batteries went from 726 to 745, and this one went from 1163 to 126. So everything is for learning, because if you put your hands in the market only, you will learn without putting money basically. So you will learn, then only you will have the motivation to learn new concept. So this is one type of learning what I post. Apart from that, whenever based on my free time, I keep posting whatever comes in my mind. I try to put it so that a lot of people who wants to learn can be connected. So click the link and open your account through us to get the benefit of secret Telegram channel and also take the benefits of Upstock's offers of giving free account and all those. So take the advantage and open your account if you don't have an secondary account or primary account. So coming back to how to apply for an IPO, then first I will show you in mobile, because most of the 70 to 80% of the customers use mobile these days as they are trading app. So few of them use in the system. So first I will show you in mobile. It would be the same on the system also. So first we will see the mobile. So you can see my mobile screen shared over here. So hope you can see my screen right now. So this is how your application looks like, right? So now what you can do is just go to the menu section over here. In the top you have an option called apply for IPO. So anyways, you can see on the screen of the side. So apply for an IPO. So it opens up invest in IPOs. So the website will be invest.upstock.com. okay, so this is a website over here. So you have an option to invest in ongoing. So you have Root Mobile Limited as a current IPO. So you guys know more about IPOs now. We have done past lot of investment in IPOs. So the past ones are SBI Cards and Happiest Minds Technologies Limited are the few ones which are over right now. So currently ongoing, because you see 9th September to 11th September. So it is still open. So in the future, if you're watching this video also, you can just go to ongoing. If you want to apply for any IPO, it will be mentioned here. So before that, you need to log into this particular website. So if I click on this particular website, you need to put your code and your PAN card. So I will try to cut this video and resume back once I log in. So once you have logged in, then you can click on the details tab. So you can see all the details regarding this IPO. So you will get to know a little bit about this particular IPO details, on what year it started, and more about the company details. So if you want, you can read all those. It's a very good option. Apart from that, it has mentioned how to apply also. If you want to manually read how to apply, if you get confused after watching this video also, you can read through how to do the procedure and then just try it out. After that, what you will do is just give place bid. You have to enter your UPI. So you will have certain UPI ID, right? So a lot of, if you see your SBI, Citi and UPI. So if you do at UPI, then you know it will go to the Beam, or you have any other UPI. Based on your UPI, you can put and you can mention whether you're an individual investor or a shareholder. All right. So once you hit those details, you will come into this particular page. So it says that, the Route Mobile Limited IPO window will remain open from 10 AM to 5 PM during trading days. So what you will do, you will try to put your order. So normally what we do is we put the cutoff price. So this is the price which we will normally use to get the IPO. Most of the time the chances are high. And lot. So what is a lot? If you click here, 40 is the minimum. So 40 quantity you have to put 40, 80 like that. So let's say I'm putting one lot. I just want 40 shares, maybe 14,000 rupees. So I will take this 40. And what I will do, I undertake this and I just click this and I will give continue. Okay, so once you give continue, you will come into a page where you have to place your order. Right now I'm not going to hit that click. So if I hit that click, the instructions will go to my Beam UPI. So over there I will have to approve. If I approve only, it will be considered yes. If I don't approve it, if I decline it, it will get cancelled. Okay, so the instructions will go to my Beam UPI. Over there I have to approve it. So I will not do this, or else I cannot, if I place here, I cannot show you in the website. So I'm not placing it right over here. So you can hit a place order and then confirm your order. All right, to invest from the laptop or from your computer from the website directly, then you can go to this particular website, invest.upstox.com/IPO. So if you put this and give a search, you will come to this particular page. Again, same thing. If you want, you can log in over here. So once you log in, again, you will get the details, same like your mobile view itself, and then same thing, place bid. Put your details over here. So once you put your details over here, you can hit the cutoff here and give a 40 quantities. Same way, 40 quantities how you gave over there, and then agree and then give continue. And this is how your order is ready. And then all you need to do is just hit the place order. So now we are trying to post your Route Mobile Limited IPO application to NSE. It might take up to 15 minutes to confirm your IPO application with NSE. You will receive an email from us regarding your bid status. So what will happen, you will get a message. One message will come saying that this has been sent, and after that you will get a UPI. You should go to your Beam UPI and then give approve. So if you give approve only, your IPO is completed. If you don't give approve, it is not yet completed. So it will get cancelled and you will not be allotted. Okay, so I have already tried once and I've just cancelled the bid, and I've just tried once again to show you guys. So you guys also can do the same, and how much of a lot you want, based on that you can put. So hope this was an idea how to apply for an IPO. This was one example of Route Mobile, if I'm not wrong. Happiest Minds Technologies Limited was one of the recent one which got finished, and SBI Cards also was the old one which got finished. I know most of you guys would have applied for those, but anyways, if you were not aware how to apply on Upstox, this was the tutorial for you guys, so that you guys get a better idea how to invest in IPOs. Okay, so always understand there is a risk in investment. So So read properly about the company, the background of the company, and then only do investment. This is only a procedure how to apply through Upstock. So one small tip before you invest in any IPO, always research a bit about it before just blindly investing in any IPO. Maybe it will work out for you guys. Sometimes it may not work out for you guys, but you're investing your hard-earned money. So always before investing in any IPO, I would suggest one tip is that go and research a little bit. Let's say you can go to Google and type it Route Mobile IPO review, and you may get a lot of websites over here. You can check out all the reviews given by experts or professional websites. Let's say Economic Times has given some document about it. So article which says the 600 crore initial public offering by Route Mobile kicked off Wednesday. The pricing are so and so. Look at some highlights, what they have mentioned. You can read all the good things and bad things also. So that is very important when you invest, about what is your business, what is your future, because you're taking a company right now initially, so that expecting the company's performance will be good. So understand which they come under which industry, what is your, what is your real backbone. So how is your future, what is the future prediction? So try to think in that way. I know initially it will be a little difficult, so but day by day we get better. Also see the thought process of these brokers, like say Motilal Oswal or different brokers, Angel Broking. What do they say about these particular IPOs? So see their opinion, they will give their point, good point, bad points and all those. So read different points from different brokers and take your decision on whether you need to invest in these IPOs or you should not invest in these IPOs. So this is one tip which I would like to tell you whenever investing in IPO for our subscribers. So you guys can start doing this rather than blindly investing in IPOs. So hope this video was an add-on to your knowledge. So if you don't have an account, then like I've told, go and click the link in the video description and open your account to be part of my secret Telegram channel. Also avail the offers given by Upstock directly. So if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments, and if you want me to review many other products or websites, anything, let me know in the comments so that I will get to know what you guys want to know. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.